What up? G'day. Welcome back to Grub's Grub. Well, today we're going to make some dish called Wonton Noodle Soup. And we went out a couple of weeks ago and had this in a restaurant. Then Ging made it a few days later and it was amazing, so we thought we'd better share it with you. Here's our ingredients. It's real basic, so this is just some cabbage, broccoli and carrot. That's red pork. So it's pork fingers marinating in the red pork stuff. This is the pork mince for the wontons, and it's just got some oyster, soy, sesame oil, garlic and spring onion mixed in there, and we'll wrap it in those things. We made dumplings in these another time when we cut the squares into rounds, but now we're going to keep the squares as squares. And we will use a Singapore style noodle to go on the bottom of the soup bowl thing, and that's going to flavour our broth. So pork based broth. So we just take a scoopful of our mince, dab the old water on the finger, across there and there, stick that end on that end, and kind of squish around the meat so you're getting the air out of it, and seal it, boom, and then give it a fork the shit out of it, eh? Oh, can't say that. Fork it a bit.
Can't say that either.
Fork seal. Broth now. Not that one. That one. Alrighty, so we've got two of these cubes that we showed you earlier. The pork
Stock cube.
That's the one. Pork stock cube. A couple of those in the pot. Put it in the pot, Fandy.
Put it in the pot.
And another one of them. And we've got a bit of a
half a carrot
and a broccoli stalk. Now pepper.
Yep, that's enough.
Like a bit of pepper and a bit of salt.
Yep. And you wait for it to boil.
Done.
Wonton's ready to go. The other component, red pork, cooking away in there.
So we're going to just prepare our Singapore noodles now. So there's 2 bags of noodles in here, and we just want one.
Yes, we do.
So we'll just open that up like so. Yeah. And all you got to do is cover that up with boiling water
For 2 to 3 minutes.
So we've cooked our Singapore noodles. They did 3 minutes in the hot water, or the boiling water. Now we just chuck them in the bottom of our big bowl in preparation for everything else. We got this thing.
What's that called?
A thing. And we're going to stick our wontons in here that we want. So I want 6 wontons.
Of course you do.
2. So we dunk our wontons for 3 minutes in the broth, and then we'll put our vegetables in. Alright, so the old wontons have been going for about 3 minutes now, and I'm just going to shove our veggies in on top.
Oh God.
So we added a mushroom too that you didn't see before for a bit of extra vegetable, and we're just chucking the lid on to keep the temperature up here. Like so.
And continue for about 3 minutes.
Yeah, 3 more minutes and then we'll plate her up. Oh yeah. So we're finally done. And now it's just time to eat it. So have a look in there, some noodles in there. Got the old wontons. Like so. Get that cabbage out of the way. Yeah.
You can use your spoon. Spoon?
There we go. Looking good. So, not very good
That's why you have a spoon.
chopsticks.
Space head. Oh.
Look, I lost my meat. Anyway, we're gonna have another crack at one of these wontons. I'll get it with my spoon. It's gonna be impossible to eat until it breaks like that.
One bite.
There we go. But it's too hot.
Yum.
Bit of broth. Also, the red pork.
Oh yeah. Red
Oh
pork.
man, that's so nice.
I think Scampy's
Oh, it's
started.
delicious. Yeah, you need to have a go at that. Amazing.
Okay,
Bye-bye.
Goldfields Jets.